If you're an Instagram user, you definitely want to check out this new feature that Meta is busy rolling out. Meta recently announced that they are busy testing a way for us to reset the content that we have on our feeds. And so they've given us an option to actually reset our entire algorithm. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we can reset that. Just before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button down below and also giving this video a like. It really helps me get the content out to people that need it. Okay, so once you open Instagram, you want to tap in the bottom right corner to go to your profile, and then the hamburger icon in the top right, and then scroll down until you see what you see. And then you want to tap on suggested content. And at the bottom, you'll see reset suggested content. Now, if you don't see the option on your phone yet, just make sure that you keep Instagram updated. It doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. It just hasn't gotten to your account yet. They are busy rolling this out across the world, so you just need to keep checking on when it's going to be available on your phone. Here it will give you some information about the reset. You can go ahead and read that. It will also give you the option to unfollow some accounts. You can also see who shows up in your feed. And then if you don't like them, or if you don't like their content, you can go ahead and unfollow them. And once you're done, you can just tap on reset suggested content. It will give you some ad topics that you can review. I don't have any, so I'm just going to tap out of that, and then we can go ahead and tap on reset suggested content. And that is all there is to it. Leave a comment down below from where you're commenting so that we can see where in the world things are still being rolled out and where majority of people already have this feature. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.